There's a button here. Hold it down and take it out. The side of the backrest with an airbag port. Towards the door. Adjust the seat. Put the backrest openings from top to bottom. Tighten and tidy up. Then find the Velcro cork. Stuffed in the gap. Tidy up. Come to the seat. Hook both hooks to it. Tighten the freshly stuffed hemmings. Stuff the hairy leather into the gaps. Note that it is stuffed into the gap in the cup cover. Tighten again. Then put it in the cup holder and stick it. Tighten and align like this. Come to the front. Push finishing and leveling. There are 2 holes in the backrest cover. Press them down. Finally, install the headrest back, and it's done. There is a hook on the side of the seat cover. Align and tile on the inside of the seat. First, put all the straps of the sitting cover through the gap. Freely adjustable seats inside. Easy to install. Tuck the straps in one by one. Put the peels in the cheek. Gills deeper. Then go to the back of the seat and tighten the gill. Be careful not to pull the tape. Will tear easily. Put all the bags under the seat. Put the hook down again. Find a random place under the seat. Just hook it up. Same thing on the other side. Come to the front. Put the hook under the edge of the handrail. Align the sitting cover. Tidy up. Don't let go of the edges and corners. You tuck the extra edges into the gaps. Then take all the straps under the seat out of the front of the seat. Put the straps on from the iron hole. Don't T-block him. Button face up. There are 3 buckles. First, go through the second buckle hole from bottom to top. Then go through it and then wear the first buckle hole, so it doesn't go backwards. After wearing it, pull it back to the bottom of the seat and tighten it. Be careful not to wring the iron rod. Just put the straps back under the seat. Other similar operations. Finally found the hook. Tighten the hook. Find a place under the seat to hook it. And that's it. There's a button under the headrest. Hold it down and take it out. Then tear the Velcro on the lower part of the backrest cover. Put the backrest opening down from the headrest. Tighten and tuck into the gap. Tidy up. Adjust the seating position. There are 2 holes in the backrest cover. Press it down. Then find the Velcro. Stuffed in the gap. There are 2 child seat holes on the side. Don't T-block them. Stuff it into the gap above it. Stuff it deeper like this. Try to make it as smooth and obedient as possible. Make sure that the 2 child seat holes are not covered. Come to the back of the seat. Tighten the freshly stuffed hemmings. Then put it in the cup holder and stick it. Tension each other. Align well. Velcro on the side of the armrest. Lift up the handrails. Pull over to align and stick. Same thing on the other side. Lift up the handrails. Align and stick. The handrail cover must be in good position. Just install it against the lines. Radians are right. Put the opening of the handrail cover directly on it. Tidy up. Same here. Find the corresponding armrest cover. Just put it on. Finally, follow the headrest installation video. Put the headrest back on, and that's it. Align the seat cover directly. First, put all the straps of the sitting cover through the gap. Tuck the straps in one by one. Tuck in the edge. Plug deeper. Put the elastic band into the corners. The edges and corners are tucked into the gaps. Same thing on the other side. Put the elastic band into the corners. Tuck the corners into the gaps. Tidy up. Then take out all the straps under the seat. Button face up. There are 3 buckles. Go through the second hole from bottom to top. Then go through it and then wear the first buckle hole. Put it in and pull it back. Pull it tighter. Just put the straps back under the seat. Other similar operations. Pull it tighter. It'll be firmer. Not easy to deform. After sorting out this step is completed, there's a button under the headrest. Hold it down and take the headrest out. Pair the hook and loop fastener under the backrest cover. Put the cover in from top to bottom. Open the HLF on the side, stuffed into the armrest gap. Then find the edge with the HLF, ready to tuck in the gap. There are 2 child-seated attachment points. Don T blocked them. Stuff it into the gap above it. Stuff it deeper like this. Try to make it as smooth and obedient as possible. Push seat. Tuck the corners into the gaps. Tensions on both sides. Zip it up. The back corner should also be tucked in. You can use tools to stuff the edges into the gaps. Then stick the HLF on the handrail. There are 2 holes in the backrest cover. Press them down. Tighten the edge pushed from the front. Then put it into the inside of the cover. Tighten and align. Pay attention to the direction. Just install it against the lines. Put the opening of the handrail cover directly on it. Find the corresponding armrest cover. Just put it on. Finally, install the headrest back, and it's done. Put it in first. Adjust the position of the seat cushion. Put the elastic band at the back on the corner. This can play a fixed role. Tucking the edges into the gaps. Put all the straps of the seat cushion through the gap. These straps have to go through the gaps. Put the elastic band behind the cover on the corner. Tuck all the edges into the gaps. Tidy up. Then take the straps out of the bottom of the seat. Button face up. There are 3 buckles. Go through the second hole from bottom to top. Then go through it, and then go through the first hole. Put it in and pull it back. Pull it tighter. Just put the straps back under the seat. Other buttons work the same. Pull it tighter. It'll be firmer. Not easy to deform. And then sort it out. And that's it. There's a button under the headrest. Hold it down and take the headrest out. Then tear the Velcro under the cup cover. Cover the backrest openings from top to bottom. There are 2 holes on the backrest. Press them down. Then find the edge with the HLF. Stuffed in the gap. Tighten at the back. Put it in the backrest cover. Tighten and stick. Finally, install the headrest back. The one with the splicing sewing port is the front. Adjust the position, and the installation is complete. Lay out the position of the seat cushion. Put all the straps through the gap. Pull it out from behind. Pull the edge out again. Tuck the corners into the gaps. Adjust the position. Then put the strap into the button. There are 3 holes. Go through the second hole from bottom to top. Then go through it and then wear the first buckle hole. Put it in and tighten the other side. Go through the second hole from bottom to top. Go through the first hole after going through it. Tension point. It will be firmer. Hide the extra tape. Finally, pull the hook tight. Find a place to hook. Be careful not to jam the tape. Adjust the position. Put this seat back in place. Installation is complete. There's a button under the headrest. Hold it down and take the center pillow out. Then tear the HLF on the backrest cover. Reclining seat. Put the backrest cover in from top to bottom. Pull left and right. Find the strap on the backrest. Take it out. Then find the edge part with HLF stuffed in the gap. There are 2 child seat interfaces on the side. Don't T-block them. Stuff it into the gap above it. Make sure that the 2 child seat interfaces are not covered. Put the backrest on and stick the HLF on both sides. Tuck the edge of the HLF into the gap. Put it in the quilt cover and stick it. Tidy up. Take the bag at the back out of the reserved opening. Tighten from behind. Tighten and adhere to the HLF in the cover. Tidy up. Finally, press down the 2 holes in the quilt cover. Install the middle pillow back, sorting out the edges and corners. Same thing on the other side. Reclining seat. Put the opening of the backrest cover on. Pull down, pull left and right again. Don't block the back middle strap. Take it out. Then find the HLF. Stuffed in the gap. There are also 2 child seat holes on the side. Don't T-block them. Tucked in the corners. Tidy up. Take the front strap out of the reserved port. Stick the HLF on the backrest cover. Then come and tighten the back of the seat. The edges are glued in the backrest cover. Tidy up. Finally, put the head pillowcase on according to his arc. The wider area is placed in the front. The narrower one is the back. Just put it on. Same here. Just put it on. Tuck the HLF part into the gap. Pull it tight and stick it in the head pillowcase. Then press the side buckle down again. Same here. Just put it on. Tension of the gill. Put it in a head pillowcase and stick it. Press down the side buckle. Sort it out here. Installation complete. Put the tape through the gap. Pass all the straps through the gap. Tucked in the edges. Adjust the position. Then come to the back of the seat. Pull the seat. Tuck all the straps into the gap under the seat. Then put the straps under the seat, all pulled out from the front. Put the strap into the button. Go from the second hole to the first hole. Put it in and pull it back. Put the tape through the button to the bottom of the seat. Tension. Hang the hook on a nearby strap. Same here. First, adjust the position of the sitting cover. Pass all the straps through the gap. Tucked in the edges. Adjust the position. Then come to the back of the seat. Pull the seat. Tuck all the straps into the gap under the seat. Then put the straps under the seat. Take it out. Put the strap into the button. Go from the second hole to the first hole. Then tighten. Everything else is the same. Installation complete.